Ananya Panday has finally arrived. And no, it's just not about her brilliant part in the recently released Kho Gaye Hum Kahan. Annie Pai made a stunning debut at the Paris Haute Couture week, and we have to say, what a mind-blowing debut. The lady looked like every inch of a supermodel as she walked the ramp for designer Rahul Mishra, who showcased his couture Spring 2024 collection Superheroes. Her black butterfly Sieve dress with shimmery detailing is already making waves on social media. But the highlight of her dramatic ensemble was the handcrafted couture circular sculpture featuring intricately colorful motifs of the tiger moth. Ananya paired the dress with simple black open-toe heels and small statement earrings, which drew all the attention towards her dress. What can we say? We are quite bold. But the credit of this look goes to Rahul Mishra, who this time took inspiration from the insect kingdom, especially endangered species, which was replicated in the designs perfectly. One look through his ideas and you will have to agree when we say that he is brilliant. Coming back to Ananya, she has graced the ramp several times. And might we add, she has taken our collective breath away every single time. Her height, lean figure and structured face are what make her look the part, and her confidence reflects when she takes the stage. Last year in October at the Lakme Fashion Week, Ananya walked the ramp for designer Bibhu Mahapatra. She wore a chic top and black shorts and teamed it with a floral blazer. And how can we not talk about the showstopper look from India Couture Week held in July last year? The ensemble by designer Rimzim Dadu consisted of a golden slit skirt with a leaf structure paired with a matching blouse with mesh and lace. Can we all just agree that Ananya can pull off any look with so much ease? That's what makes her a supermodel for us. What do you think? Do let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha to get every update from the fashion world.